I want to give you a really easy way to use ChatGPT to raise your level of professionalism, how you look to your new clients. This is an easy one. This is mini treatment guides that you can create in a minute, 2 minutes using ChatGPT, and then send them over and over and over again when you have clients, new clients for the same treatment. So I'm going to pop in this prompt. And for this example, I'm going to use microneedling as the treatment. And click enter. And ChatGPT is going to go to work and write this mini guide for me. It's actually going a little bit slower right now than usual, but that's okay. It's letting the new client know what microneedling is, what to do before their appointment, what happens during their appointment, what they need to do for aftercare, and then also setting their expectations for when they will see results. Now, it's done. Of course, this is going to vary for every treatment, and every medical spa is going to have a different experience for their clients. And so you'll definitely want to read through this and make sure that it's correct for you. But seriously, that was, not even 2 minutes. So you can do this for all of your treatments and then have emails ready to go, whether they're automated through your CRM or sent manually. That works too. So when you have a new microneedling appointment, you send this off to them. A new client, you send this off to them, and they'll have all of that information. It really elevates your perceived professionalism that they're getting all of that from you ahead of time. It decreases cancellations. It just works in so many ways. So I hope this is helpful.